Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. This is Akshata Mehta. Here are some of the news that made the headlines today. Israel's military has seized the Al-Shifa hospital in Gaza, trapping hundreds of patients, including newborns. Israel claims that it is a precise and targeted operation against Hamas, as the hospital is a significant site for Hamas operations. Both Israel and the US say that Hamas has a command center underneath Al-Shifa and uses the hospital and tunnels beneath it to conceal military operations and to hold hostages. Hamas denies it. According to the health ministry, 32 patients, including 3 infants, died due to the emergency generator running out of fuel on November 11th at Shifa Hospital. Additionally, 36 babies were left from the neonatal ward, putting them at risk of death along with other patients as the essential equipment couldn't function. Today, a tragic incident occurred in Jammu and Kashmir's Doda district, resulting in the death of at least 36 people and leaving 19 injured. The incident involved a bus carrying around 40 passengers which rolled down a 300-foot gorge near the Trungal Asar road. Authorities have initiated a rescue operation recovering some bodies. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his condolences to the victims' family and announced an ex-gratia of Rs 2 lakh for each deceased and Rs 50,000 for the injured in the bus accident. Posters labeling former Karnataka Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy as the current thief emerged near his residence a day after the Bengaluru electricity supply company filed a case against him for power theft. Following the discovery of these posters, the police promptly intervened and removed them. The Karnataka Congress accused Kumaraswamy, who is also the JDS state chief, of unlawfully sourcing electricity to light up his JP Nagar residence with decorative lights during Diwali. In response, the PESCOM Vigilance Wing conducted an inspection and registered a case under Section 135 of the Indian Electricity Act. Kumaraswamy defended himself, placing blame on a private decorator, claiming that he gave the connection directly from a nearby electricity pole without his knowledge. Kumaraswamy asserted that upon learning about it, he promptly had it removed and obtained the electricity connection through the house meter board. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitaram has stated that India is projected to surpass Japan and Germany, securing the position as the world's third largest economy by 2027. Speaking at the Indo-Pacific Regional Dialogue, Sitaram highlighted that India's economic growth is estimated to be nearly 7% this year, the highest among major economies despite facing global challenges. She emphasized that the Indian economy is progressing positively and is heading towards a promising future. Virat Kohli became the first batsman in history to score 50 one-day international centuries. Kohli broke Sachin Tendulkar's record of 49 centuries in ODI innings during the match with New Zealand at the Wankhede Stadium today. It has taken Kohli 279 innings to score 50 hundreds, while Tendulkar had taken 452 innings to amass 49 hundreds. He reached Sachin's record on his 35th birthday against a match with South Africa. Renowned football coach Arsene Wenger is set to inaugurate the All India Football Federation FIFA Academy in Bhubaneswar on November 21st. The academy is part of FIFA's talent development initiative, and Wenger, currently heading FIFA's Global Football Development Program, will be in India from November 19th to 23rd. During his visit, he will engage with Indian Super League, I-League clubs and organizations focused on youth development in Indian football. FIFA's talent development scheme seeks to enhance the competitiveness of national teams by collaborating with members associations worldwide. These were the major headlines of the day. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital to get the latest updates.